Hello, little learners! Welcome back to Kids Cartoon Bonanza! Today we are going to learn about 30 tools. Tools help people build, fix, and create things. Let's start learning!
1. Hammer. This is a hammer. Hammers are used to hit nails. They help fix and build things. Hammers have strong handles. 2. Screwdriver. This is a screwdriver. Screwdrivers turn screws. They help tighten and loosen screws. They are very useful tools. 3. Wrench. This is a wrench. Wrenches turn nuts and bolts. They are used in repairs. Wrenches are strong tools. 4. Pliers. This is a pliers. Pliers hold and pull objects. They help bend wires. Pliers have strong jaws. 5. Saw. This is a saw. Saws cut wood. They have sharp teeth. Saws must be used carefully. 6. Drill. This is a drill. Drills make holes. They spin very fast. Drills help in building. 7. Measuring tape. This is a measuring tape. Measuring tapes measure length. They help measure wood and cloth. They are long and flexible. 8. Level. This is a level. Levels check straight lines. They help keep things even. Builders use levels often. 9. Chisel. This is a chisel. Chisels shape wood and stone. They have sharp edges. They are used by carpenters. 10. Utility knife. This is a utility knife. Utility knives cut many things. They have sharp blades. Adults should use them. 11. Paintbrush. This is a paintbrush. Paintbrushes are used for painting. They make colorful designs. They have soft bristles. 12. Roller. This is a roller. Rollers spread paint. They cover large areas. They make painting faster. 13. Spade. This is a spade. Spades dig soil. They are used in gardens. Spades help plant seeds. 14. Shovel. This is a shovel. Shovels move sand and dirt. They have wide blades. Shovels are strong tools.
15. Rake. This is a rake. Rakes collect leaves. They clean gardens. Rakes have long handles. 16. Hoe. This is a hoe. Hoes loosen soil. They help remove weeds. Farmers use hoes. 17. Axe. This is an axe. Axes cut wood. They are very sharp. Adults use axes carefully. 18. Crowbar. This is a crowbar. Crowbars pry things open. They help lift heavy objects. Crowbars are strong tools. 19. File. This is a file. Files smooth rough surfaces. They shape metal and wood. Files have rough teeth. 20. Sandpaper. This is sandpaper. Sandpaper smooths surfaces. It removes rough spots. It feels rough to touch. 21. Clamp. This is a clamp. Clamps hold objects tightly. They keep things in place. They help during repairs. 22. Wheelbarrow. This is a wheelbarrow. Wheelbarrows carry heavy loads. They have one wheel. They are used in gardens. 23. Ladder. This is a ladder. Ladders help reach high places. They have steps. Ladders must be used safely. 24. Toolbox. This is a toolbox. Toolboxes store tools.
They keep tools organized. Toolboxes are handy.
25. Nail. This is a nail. Nails hold wood together. They are hit with hammers. Nails are small and strong. 26. Screw. This is a screw. Screws hold things tightly. They are turned by screwdrivers. Screws have threads. 27. Trowel. This is a trowel. Trowels help plant small plants. They dig small holes. Gardeners use trowels. 28. Soldering iron. This is a soldering iron. Soldering irons join wires. They use heat. Adults use them carefully.
29. Pipe wrench. This is a pipe wrench. Pipe wrenches grip pipes. They help fix plumbing. They are heavy tools. 30. Safety gloves. These are safety gloves. Gloves protect hands. They keep hands safe. Safety is very important.
Great job, kids! You learned 30 tool names today. Tools help us build and fix things. Always use tools safely. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Kids Cartoon Bonanza for more fun learning videos. See you next time. Goodbye and keep learning.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel at Kids Cartoon Bonanza.